So today in this class, we start the text category. Or Mr. Jad, I allow the recording. You can start the recording.
Yeah.
So sometime we have received the data with
Recording
the
in progress. Recording stopped.
with the data
Recording in progress.
have a so many space. Just like Sujit, many space Kumar, and also Sujit and many space. Okay. So sometimes we have received the data with many space, but I want to remove unwanted space. So we have used the trim formula. Trim formula remove the unwanted text from the your cell value. You have remember trim is remove the unwanted text, not the remove the text. You can see here in the Sujit and Kumar, we need to one space for separations, so trim is the keep, but rest of the space will be delete. And there is Sujit or so many space after the Sujit, so here is remove the all space. So you can check the with len formula. Len formula count the length of text in the cell. So we have apply the len formula, we got the 6. You have also checked the SUJEET 6 character. So we have discovered the two formula. First formula is the trim. Trim is the remove the unwanted space from the cell, from the text. And second, len is count of the total length. It's clear?
One second. One second. Got it. It's easy. Yes, Sujit.
Okay.
Go
Go forward. Okay. So we have the text. I want to replace some particular character to another character. Just like I want to replace dot to dash. Okay. In the cell value, we have the dot somewhere one times and many times. Then we have apply substitute formula. Substitute formula, we have select the cell text and give the what character we want to replace. So I have type here dot and which what next replace text here, we have to give the dash and press the enter. You can see your every text, it means dots, replaced by dash. So substitute formula, you can replace the particular character to another character in the cell value. Not a character, you can also replace the word and sentence, right? So in the inverted comma, we have write which character, which word is sentence replace, and replace word and character type here. Simple. But I want to replace the particular character to another character, but according the text position, not a text. So I want to fourth character will be replaced to dash. If you have four character dot dash, any type of the character, I want to replace to dash. So which character is not defined, but location is defined की fourth number. So we have applied the formula replace. So replace formula, we have select here and give the, if we have fourth character to one number of character and replace character is the dash. So replace formula, check the number of four character to one character, replace the like that. So we have type, if you type 1 to 2, then after the 4 character, replace 4 and 5 character to dash. You can check here. So 3 will be also replaced by dash or slash. So Mr. Jay, do you understand the substitute formula and
Yeah,
replace
understand.
formula? Okay.
Substitute formula, replace formula. Okay.
Okay. Now we have the separated formula. How can separate the text? So we have the left formula, separate from the left which number of character we have give. Just actually give here 3. Press the enter. So 1, 2, 3 will be replaced. So first 3 character. Then we have typed the right and put the 3, also 3 character from the right left.
Okay.
Now we have typed the mid formula. Mid formula extract from the mid. So I have defined here that my mid start to 5th. So type the 5 and I want to 3 character. So give the 3. So you can see here from the 5 character, give the 3 character. Extract the from the 5 character to 3 character. Okay.
Only repeat this one. Only repeat the middle one.
Mid formula, extract
Okay.
from the mid. You have select the text and give the where you start mid. So my mid start from the number 3. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th character, right? You will count here. 1 is the first, 2 is the second, 3 and 4 is the dot. So 4th character and 3. I want to start from mid 3. So 3 is the 5th character, right?
It's 4 correct?
Dot also included.
Huh?
Dot
Okay. Got it. 5 character. Okay.
Okay, dot space everything count as a character.
Yeah.
Give the 5th or
Okay.
number of character you want to select. So I want to 3. Press the enter. You can see the 366. Okay. But sometime we got the dynamic data. Just like I want to name here Sujit and Kumar, and I want to extract the first name and last name. If you have the older version, just like 2019, 16, 13 Excel, then have a problem. So how can I identify? Because we have type here left formula and give the 6 character. Now Sujit is extract, but sometime my data will be changed, just like SUJIT Sujit. Then we got the also space here. Just like I type the Raj here, Raj. You can see here, give the wrong data. So I want to extract from the space. So left side of the space, it means left side of the space, it means first name. Right side of the space from last name. So we have 2 formula. First find and second search. Both are the same formula. Find formula, mind the case sensitive. Find formula is the case sensitive, mind the upper and lower case, and search formula is not case sensitive. You have understand small a and capital A both are the same. So we have select here find, give the space here. Okay, a space, select the text and type the number, start number. Which character you want to start the searching your character. It's like space. So we give the 1. Start from 1. So give the number of position. Space is the 4th number, right? When you have changed your data, just like we have give the Sujit, so then the space is the 7th number. So we have typed the here left formula, select here and select the search result -1. Why -1? Because search give the number of position you're searching text. It's like a space. So 7 is the space position in the text, But I want to before of the space, it means give the -1. Okay, understand?
Understand.
Okay, and now we want to write. So we also give the right formula, select here. So I want to know about the number of character after the space. But we have the count the space position. So that time we have applied the simple mathematical logic. So len, the complete length, the complete number of character minus a space position. You can get the number of character after the space. Okay, clear? It's clear?
No, repeat it, please.
Okay, so the right formula you have to know, but the problem is the how can type here 5, because after the space the 5 character. So I want to dynamic the 5. So we have applied the len formula here. Len formula give the number of length. So total length is a 12 and 7 is the space positions. So how can I identify after the space? It is simple. 12 minus 7, we got the 5.
5, yeah.
So we have put the same here. So len, we have applied the len, select here, minus, we give the result search, space, select here, comma 1. Right, sir?
So why you make it too much? Why you make the formula too much big?
Too much, एक minute. What is your again?
Why you make the formula too much big one? Why you don't make it directly right before 10 minus 5?
Because you can't understand, na? So we have first explained the where formula which work, then you apply. Okay. I have also give the formula.
One second. So Gigi, 1 second. Let me read the formula. 1 second. B14, B14 minus search. B14 comma 1 2 comma. Okay. Let me practice to understand that it like this. I cannot understand only by
okay. But you have the latest Excel, just like Office 365. Okay?
Yeah.
We have the simple 2 formula. First, text before. So apply the text before, and you have defined here this text before. Just like I have defined the space in the inverted comma. Press the enter. So formula give the total text before the space. And second formula is the text after. Text after, we have select the text and define the which text after is like space in the inverted comma and press the enter. You got the after space. Text after space. Looks like first name, last name. So this is the simple, okay? But problem is that this formula is the latest Excel, not in the oldest Excel. Just like 13, 16 and 19. This is the 2021 and Office 365.
Okay.
If you have the Office 365 latest Excel, you can directly apply here, ignore this formula. Okay? But you have the older version, then you have ignored this formula and apply the oldest formula. It's clear?
Clear.
So today enough, you have continued.
Enough. Let me do some training on this one.
Okay.
Make one something.
Okay. So we have give the formula to converge. This is Sujit and Kumar. I want to convert in the uppercase. Apply the upper formula. You want to lowercase, apply the lower formula. And the proper case, apply the proper formula. Okay?
Okay. Proper upper. Okay.
Upper is the uppercase in capital letter. A small is the
capital letter, small
letter, and proper is the every word first letter is the capital.
Okay, proper. Okay.
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 Okay. So do the practice, and tomorrow we have continued the text formula.
Okay. We are